Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Aishata. Today I am going to uh, teach you how to learn Python. You have seen my first video, that is the upcoming video on Python or today, this Monday. So what is Python? A Python is a simple and easy language that can be understandable. Means it is very simple language which feels like reading simple English. It makes us easy to learn and understand. Okay. So now what are the features of Python? The features of Python is that it is easy to understand, it needs less development time, and it's free and open source. It's a high level language. It is portable and works with Windows, Linux and Mac, and it is fun to work. Okay, so now where we will do the Python. So which platform we are going to do this code, means Python, that we are going to do the Python in CodeChef. What is CodeChef? A CodeChef is a platform in which we can do all types of language like C, Java, Python, C++, etc. So for opening the CodeChef, we have to go to Google. Then we have to type here CodeChef. CodeChef, yes, this one. Then we have to click on this one link, CodeChef competitive programming. We click it. Then this page will open to you. Then we will click to practice. Then IDE, code compile and run. Do you know what is IDE? IDE is a platform where we do our codes. So in this we can choose many programming language. There is C++, Python, Java, ADA, etc. So we are doing Python, so we are clicking on Python. So now we will write our first code. So for writing our first code, the first code is print hello world. Okay, so we have to write print. Here is come print. Then we have to give a bracket hello world in apostrophe. You can write here anything, like we have to print some word. For that we are writing is means if we write Ayush Datta, then it will print Ayush Datta, and if we write hello world, then it will print hello world. Okay, if we write cook, then it will print cook. Like this, in the apostrophe we have to write this. So I am writing hello world, hello world, hello world. Okay, then we click on run. So your program, our output is hello world. So it is interesting, isn't it? So now we will learn about the modules. What is a module? A module is a file containing code written by somebody else. Like it is like this. We click on enter. First we have to write import Microsoft. If I am writing micro SOFT Microsoft. Okay, then we click on run. If we click import Microsoft, this will use all the programs that the Microsoft software have, that the code that are used in the Microsoft. It will import all the codes in our program. Like see, there is an error, running time. So this is how to import. So left it. This is not needed. And there are two types of modules, the built-in module and external modules. The built-in modules are the modules that are already given when we download Python. I have forgotten to tell you that you can do Python in CodeChef also, and in after installing Python also. So first we write here, for installing Python I am saying it, Python org, Python org, download Python. So it's opening, and it opens. Then we have to click on the this variations of these versions for Windows. There is many versions. This is the latest version. So we have to then you can choose your specific versions, like Python 3.9.13, like Python 3.10.4. This, like, okay. So leave it. There are what we are talking about. We are talking about the built-in modules. What are the built-in modules? Built-in modules are the modules when we install Python. After installing Python, there are some softwares that given by it. Okay, that are the built-in modules. And external modules. What are the external modules? External modules are the modules that you have downloaded in your means computer or laptop. Okay. So for today, our class is up to this only. Thank you guys, and please subscribe my channel. Bye for today.